Okay, class, so the first lesson of the day is math.
Great.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn how to annihilate others, how to safely extract the human brain for eating, and...
What?
Oh, wait, I made a mistake. I think that's lesson 4 of the day. For math.
Okay.
Over the course of the semester, you will learn to add, subtract, divide, multiply, and so much more.
Great.
I am so excited.
I'm not.
Before we start, let's revise some of the basics.
No.
What is 6874123612 plus 9819399912? And remember, wrong answers will be very harshly punished.
How is that possible? What? I don't, really, well, that's his problem. I don't know, I mean, this guy's the smart kid. This guy's
Where do you think you're going?
Okay. Alright, note to self. Don't make her mad or take too long. Because if you take too long, she'll just assume that you're going somewhere and, yeah. You know what, and we all know how it ends. Well, last time I thought he was a really smart kid, so I'm just going to go with that.
785-606-3524. Correct!
Oh, wow.
You kids are really paying attention today. Next question, and one that I wrote myself. What is 2 plus 2?
Well, this is easier. Perfect.
Correct!
Nice.
Wow, I thought everyone would get it wrong. Alright, last question before your lunch break.
Alright.
What is misery plus disappointment?
What kind of question is, dramatic? Anything dramatic?
My life. Correct! Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for math for the day.
Okay.
Go to your lunch break, and then we'll start the next lesson when you come back.
Don't expect to see me, because I might not even come. No need to turn off the lights, man. Alright, welcome to recess with all my friends. Which, by friends, I mean basketballs, bowling pins, and a bunch of watering cans. Whatever. So, please, save our friend! He's getting bullied over there! Yeah, I'm not blind. Hey, you want to save this twerp? Give us your lunch money. Can I give you gum? You like gum? Bullies like gum, right? Ah, great. These bullies are demanding money to release your victim. Dude, they're just bowling pins. They aren't even really existing. Can't they just take the watering can behind them? I mean, it's really simple. Just reach out to it. Pretty easy. Push the bowling pins to the side. Ba-ba-boom. You got it. Alright, looks like these guys. What do you want? We're the cool kids and we chew gum. Get us gum for money. So the cool kids like gum, but the bullies don't. Eh? Well, unfortunately, you guys don't have mouths, so I don't see what you're gonna do with that. But is this all the gum you want? Ah, great. Still more gum. Oop, found ya. Ha! Thought you could hide from me by sticking to the door. Wrong. Okay, I'm sure I got all the gum this time. Oh, no. Alright. Time to get you. Here's all the gum. Dang, that's a big bottle of gum. Anyways, this is mine. Alright, I got the money. Now release that victim. Or else I will literally grab a bowling ball and literally cadaddle all of you bowling pins. There you go. Alright, now I'll just be, take that. There we go. There, I got your little friend. Now, stay 5,000 miles away from those people. Woo! Glasses! I'm a cool kid right now. At least I thought I was. Ah, great. Him again.
Attention, everyone. This announcement concludes your lunch break. Please return to your classes.
Said and done, my friend.
Also, teachers, please keep in mind that we're on the lookout for a very, very naughty student, believed to be accompanied by a drone. If you catch them, call Principal Banban's office immediately.
What? I don't have a drone. Yeah, You're blind, guys.
See the person they're
that's not
talking about, did you?
Nope.
Oh, what am I saying? You're one of the cool kids. Of course you don't talk to ugly, unpopular kids like that.
Yeah, I have glasses.
Take a seat with the cool kids, where you belong.
So all you need is sunglasses and you're a cool kid. Well, yes, Banbaleena, a bully.
Okay, kids, the next lesson is science.
Perfect.
Like we did for
Not.
math, and since this is the first science lesson of the semester, it will only be a review lesson. But first, let me introduce you to our class.
Why didn't you do that in the last class?
No eating, no talking, no breathing,
What?
no moving,
What?
no asking
What?
questions, and no washroom
What?
breaks.
Okay, now that one is.
I
that
will
last-
have to punish you very, very
What?
harshly if you break any of those rules.
Okay, now that last one
Back
is
to the review.
absurd. You
Let's
know
start
you
with
need to
something
go to the
easy.
bathroom.
How hot is the sun?
I don't even know, man.
I'm so funny.
Uh-oh.
What is the sun?
Alright, I'm gonna make sure to not press the class cloud. And definitely not the loud kid, popular kid.
Nothing's as hot as me.
You're literally a basketball!
I'll allow it, but only because it made me laugh and because you're a cool kid. I can tell by your very cool glasses.
Hey, Banbaleena, you don't have any
Next
glasses.
question.
You know what that means?
How many hearts does an octopus have?
Are you asking me? There isn't even an octopus in this kindergarten. There's just a jellyfish. Maybe sea life lover.
Stingerflint.
What?
Correct.
What?
That's half right, since Stingerflint is close to an octopus. He's a jellyfish.
What does having to say a jellyfish's
I'll allow
name
it,
have to do
since
with
you're a
that?
cool kid. Normal octopuses have 3 hearts. We humans have 1. And Stingerflint has, I'm not sure actually, but let's move on.
Yeah, best to not know.
Next question. We have 5 senses. Sight, smell, taste, touch, and...
Okay, well, these 3 already went, so loud kid, you're on.
Correct! Oh, you just made me use my 5th sense. Close enough. I'll allow it. Unfortunately, that's all the time we have for science for today.
Fortunately,
Go
don't you
on to
mean?
your second break, and then we'll start the next lesson when it's over.
Expect to never see me because I'm never coming back. Better. Hopefully nobody gets trapped by these stupid bowling pins anymore. What do I do now? You want to join us, Punk? Give me some lunch money. How much? How much lunch money? Oh, whatever. I'll just take a bunch. Thank you very much. And yeah, I'm the cool kid, so I get to do what I want. I think that's how it works. Mine. Gotcha. Alright, I think that's all the money. Wow, that's yeah, whatever. Ooh, bowling pin. Finally, one that actually can't talk. Even though none of you guys can talk. I hate hearing that.
Attention everyone, this announcement concludes your second break. Please return to your classes.
Well, at least he didn't say anything about me having to drown this time.
Oh, wow. 3 new kids in one day? 1 unpopular kid? Yuck. 1 cool kid and 1 mean kid. Welcome! Sit on the table to your left where you belong so we can begin.
Don't worry, I'm going. Yeah.
Okay, kids. The next lesson is health and kindness. Just like we did for math and science, it will only be a review lesson. Let's start with some common knowledge to freshen your stupid brains.
My stupid brain,
Can
you put
anyone
lipstick
here
around
give me
your
an example
eyes.
of an unkind person? School sucks.
Oh, yeah.
Where's health?
Okay, now, how did I get that wrong? It literally says mean kid. Actually, 2 of them say mean kid. So I guess it's unkind money
Start with
taker.
some common knowledge
Yeah,
to
it has to be
freshen your
unkind
stupid
money
brains.
taker.
Can anyone here give me an example of an unkind person? I will beat you to death. Correct!
I knew it.
That is a perfect example. Good job. Assuming it wasn't directed at me, of course.
Yeah, definitely
Now,
not.
this time, can anyone give me an example of a kind person? I will give you immense pain. Correct! Exactly! Giving others things without expecting anything in return is exactly what kindness is. This class is going to be great. I can feel it. Wait, what was that? I wonder if it's a new student.
I didn't even hear
Nobody
anything.
move while I check it out.
Oh yeah, no, I wouldn't do such a thing. Yeah, I'd never do such a. Is there something wrong? What the? Did she just teleport? Whatever. Everybody teleports nowadays. All right, get out, show. Come on, do your thing. Hit. That's it. Now, press. Close that door. Oh gosh. Okay. That was a close one.
No! Not again! I actually tried to be a good teacher this time.
And you failed. You tried to kill me like 2 or 3 times. I mean, you did, so like, whatever. Oh well, how about can I help you go up? Oh, never mind. You're just gonna go. Okay, makes sense. Well, I didn't know Opila had babies. I mean, one of them is blue. I want to go to the blue one because why not? He's special, I guess. Alright, so I just have to put these little bugs back in the net. That would be something I put a dog inside of? Whatever. You're coming to me. Come to Papa! Just kidding, actually, I don't even know I don't even know if I'm a boy or girl in this game, but like, whatever. Come here! Your mom hired me to babysit you guys, and it's time for your nap, I think. Alright, I think I got them all. No birds left. Alright, well, the murder's coming, so I need to hide. Where do I hide? In that tree. Huh? Gone? Alright. Time to go. Let's run. Alright. Okay. What the? Is that a snake? Ah!